Well, today I'm just going to try to make something from what I have in my garden right now. And if you saw my video, here's right here, I forgot to thin my radishes. So I have a lot of radishes really close together, but I thought I'd use some of those small radishes and the greens and maybe some of my fresh peas from the garden and make something that is scrumptious. So let's experiment a little. So here I picked some radishes from the garden. These are cherry bell radishes, and I'm also going to be using their greens. And then I have some peas from the garden, and I'm going to combine that with some garlic and some butter and seasoning. And this is a wonderful side dish. It just tastes so fresh. The first thing I'm going to do is to actually cut off the radishes from the greens. We don't want that on it. Like that. I really should have thinned my radishes, but you know, sometimes life gets in the way and you just don't have time to do that. And we want to clean them well. This one has kind of weird spots on it. Okay, now we're going to want to slice these up. Get the other stuff out of the way here. So we're just going to slice them thin so they'll cook up fast. And I'll be back when I'm done. So I washed the greens well. I just have them torn up a bit. We have our sliced radishes. And then for these peas, I'm just going to open them up. There they go. This isn't opening easy. There we go. There, that's an easier one. So I'll be back when I have all my peas out, and then we'll start making the dish. It's really fast. So there we have it. We have our greens torn up, our sliced radishes, and our fresh peas from the garden. Let's get started. Melt some butter up here. Put in some garlic. Doesn't that smell good? Right, you can't smell it. Now you might be saying, what? You're stir frying the peas too? But yes, my family likes them just a little crispy. And this will go really quick. Just getting a nice brown to it. And when you cook the radishes, it actually takes out a little bit of what some people call the bitter taste. I don't know. I like radishes fresh too. Now, season too. Salt on it. Almost ready. This one a little more brown on the peas. And I'm going to put just a little pepper on it. I think it's ready. So here it is dished up. Doesn't it look delicious? And this is just one serving for me. Okay, I cheated. I already took a bite. It's just so good. Get in some of my greens. Greens, the peas, and the radishes. This is so good. It's so easy to make. I mean, it just tastes fresh. That's the only way I can say it. It tastes such great fresh from the garden. So I encourage you, try to make something different with your garden produce. Sometimes when something goes awry, like forgetting to thin my radishes, you can still make a great dish. And believe me, those radish greens are tasty. This is Potpourri saying please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.